friends, in this video we will study chemical properties of metals and non-metals. First we will study what are noble metals. Metals which are found in free state are called noble metals. Noble metals are non-reactive. Some metals such as gold and platinum do not show any chemical reaction. Chemical reactions. Chemical reaction is a reaction between two chemical substances under required condition. Chemical reactions are expressed in the form of equations representing contact of chemicals with one another. Reaction of metals with oxygen. When metals react with oxygen, they form metallic oxide. When iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of moisture, it forms rusting of iron. When copper reacts with oxygen in the presence of moist air, it forms greenish coating. That is why copper vessels become green when they remain out of use for a long time. When silver reacts with oxygen, they form grayish coating, which is being represented in the following equation. That is why shiny silver jewelry become dull after prolonged use. Metallic oxides are generally basic in nature, as it turns red litmus to blue. Reaction of metals with water. When metals react with water, they form metal oxide or metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas, which is being represented in the following equation. Sodium is a very reactive metal. It reacts violently with water. Therefore, sodium is always kept immersed in kerosene. When magnesium reacts with water, it forms magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. Magnesium reacts very slowly with cold water at room temperature, but it reacts vigorously with hot water to form magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. Reaction of metals with acids. When metals react with dilute hydrochloric acid, they form salt and hydrogen gas, which is being shown in the following equation. Reaction of metals with bases. Metals react with bases to produce hydrogen gas. Test of hydrogen gas. When a burning matchstick is brought near the beaker, the gas burns with a pop sound. This pop sound indicates that the gas produced is hydrogen gas. Reaction of nonmetals with oxygen. When nonmetals react with oxygen, they form nonmetallic oxide. When sulfur reacts with oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide. All non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature, as it turns blue litmus to red. Reaction of nonmetals with water. Nonmetals do not react with water, but they may be very reactive in air. Nonmetal with water have no reaction. Reaction of nonmetals with dilute acids. Nonmetals with dilute acid have no reaction. Reaction of nonmetals with bases. Reactions of nonmetals with bases are quite complex. Displacement reaction. A reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal form its salt solution is called a displacement reaction. When iron reacts with copper sulfate, it forms iron sulfate and copper is displaced. Uses of nonmetals. Oxygen is very essential for the life to exist. Life on the earth is made up of carbon. Nutrients like vitamins, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, etc., which contains carbon. Iodine has antiseptic properties, so it is applied on wounds. Chlorine is used for the purification of water. Nitrogen is very essential for the growth of plants, to manufacture fertilizers, also used to preserve food.